We purify about 8 million gallons per day at the Vanderlands water treatment facility. And the water is subjected through a series of advanced treatment trains, namely the microfiltration, reverse osmosis, and the UV radiation, as well as the hydrogen peroxide process. And it is purified and it gets injected into the drinking water aquifers to be extracted for future use.
During microfiltration, water is forced through racks of vessels, with each vessel containing thousands of hollow fibers. The outer wall of each fiber is made up of tiny pores only 0.1 micron in size, or about 300 times smaller than the width of a human hair. The fibers filter out microscopic particles such as silt, protozoan cysts, bacteria, and even viruses. Reverse osmosis works by forcing water through a special plastic membrane sheet to remove compounds such as salts, organic compounds, microorganisms, viruses, and pharmaceuticals. Rolls of membrane sheets are wound into cylinder-shaped elements. There are several elements inside each long-pressure vessel. As water enters the vessel, it flows over the membrane surface as it moves from one end of the vessel to the other. The membrane layer is extremely thin. It allows water to pass through or permeate, while preventing other compounds from passing through. Membranes remove molecules based on their size, shape, and charge. Generally, contaminants larger than water molecules will not pass through, including most chemical contaminants and all microorganisms such as viruses and bacteria. Two streams of water are produced. Pure, clean water or permeate flows across the membrane sheets and passes through the membrane layers to the inside core tube. Water that does not permeate becomes more highly concentrated with salts and other substances. This water is called concentrate. The pure permeate water flows out the core tube and one end of the pressure vessel, and the concentrate water flows out another outlet. The next stage is ultraviolet light and advanced oxidation. The water is dosed with hydrogen peroxide and is exposed to strong UV light. This process removes any trace organic molecules. The UV energy instantly destroys the genetic material, or DNA, of any virus that may somehow have passed through previous barriers. Intense UV light and oxidation breaks down contaminant molecules. The process is similar to ones used in medicine and dentistry to sterilize equipment.
Typical advanced water treatment plant recovers about 80%, meaning 20% of the source water is wasted. WRD wanted to be more efficient, so we constructed this facility with two unique treatment processes. One is a microfiltration backwash water recovery system. The other is a third stage high recovery reverse osmosis system. Together, these two processes are capable of increasing the overall recovery rate from 80% to 92%, equivalent to a waste reduction in 60%. So by employing these two additional steps in the treatment process, we are making every drop count.